Looking for the best RAM for gaming for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 best RAM for gaming that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a best RAM for gaming that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended best RAM for gaming. Number 1 on the list is TeamGroup T4 Xtreem ARGB DDR4 to 3600 to X8GB. TeamGroup did a great job with the Xtreem ARGB DDR4 to 3600 C14 memory kit. It certainly ticks all the right boxes. The memory kit looks fantastic when lit up or powered down and performs equally well. The Xtreem ARGB is the fastest DDR4 to 3600 C14 memory kit that we've tested so far. The memory market only has a handful of DDR4 to 3600 C14 memory kits at the 16GB to X8GB capacity. And with a price tag of $169.99, the Xtreem ARGB is the least expensive of them all. So the only gripe we have with is with its availability. Unfortunately, Newegg is currently the only retailer that lists the memory kit, so it could be challenging to find. Second on the list is Patriot Viper Steel DDR4 to 4400 to X8GB. For those with a board that can handle its top speed in games or workloads that can take advantage of it, Patriot's Viper Steel DDR4 to 4400 16GB kit is an excellent high-performance option that also skips RGB. Keeping the kit simple has allowed Patriot to equip the Viper Steel with enhanced timings that dramatically boost the performance of specific programs, including some games. Since the market for pure gaming rigs and focused builds designed for singular tasks is still competitive, the Viper Steel DDR4 to 4400 sits comfortably in this niche. Number 3 on the list is Patriot Viper 4 DDR4 to 3400 to X8GB. It may not have fancy software-controlled RGB lights, and there are faster kits on offer for higher prices, as well as budget-priced kits that cost less. But for many who don't want or need their memory to glow like a rainbow, Patriot's Viper 4 DDR4 to 3400 C16 16GB PV416G 340C6K sits in a sweet spot of price and performance. The kit includes 2 8GB modules rated with XMP values of DDR4 to 3400 COS 16 to 18 18 to 36. Those last 3 numbers aren't great, but DDR3 lovers must remember that 16 cycles at 3400 MHz data rate have the same latency time as 8 cycles at 1700 MHz data rate. So this kit is an excellent DRAM overclocking value, while also providing some stylish red heatsinks to make sure your memory looks good enough to show off in your windowed case. Number 4 on the list is Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 to 3200 4x8GB. Builders who put a premium on aesthetics face a tough choice between the best-looking and best performance parts. Corsair brings a bit of both in its Vengeance RGB DDR4 to 3200 kit, providing 4 8GB DIMMs, 32GB total, at COS 16 timings for a price that's reasonably moderate given the recent market trends. And this kit isn't all about looks. It has the goods where benchmarks are concerned too. Superb performance and moderate pricing earn the Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 to 3200 our Editor's Choice Award for RGB-equipped memory, though its pastel colors might be off-putting to a few builders. Corsair's kit beat our previous favorite, the HyperX Predator RGB, in overall performance at every speed, barring the DDR4 to 4000 setting that it didn't reach. Corsair also provides a better performing XMP value and a lower price than the competition, making the Vengeance RGB Pro the uncompromised winner here and an excellent addition to your next RGB build. Number 5 on the list is Patriot Viper Steel DDR4 to 3200 to X16GB. Buyers within the performance PC market have only two excuses to stop at DDR4 to 3200. Either they're trying to save money or trying to coax a good performance from a system that really can't go much farther. For those in either camp, but the former in particular, Patriot's 32GB Viper Steel 3200 kit slams the competition on price, undercutting its closest rival in our analysis by nearly 18%. And that's without any performance penalties, beyond those of having the exact mid-market timings as its competitors. Even though the Patriot Viper Steel's performance victories are less than 1% overall, its low price puts it well ahead of even the least expensive competitor in our basic performance-to-price comparison. As a result, value seekers within the performance PC market have just found their new champion. Just now is a list of 5 best RAM for gaming that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.